guys, so as you all know, summers are just around the corner, and while I love how bright and sunny it is outside, I hate what the sun does to my skin. Even if I step out just once in the sun, my skin tans so much, which is why I prefer to stay indoors. I prefer staying at home when it's the summertime. But if you go to office every day, if you have to travel to college every day, I cannot even imagine the struggle you guys must be facing, because people who go out in the sun every single day have visible sun tanning. You can literally see a difference of 2 to 3 shades on the skin that's exposed to the sun and on the skin that's covered. So hey, all of you sun-kissed beauties, if you've ever dreamt of effortlessly removing all of that summer tan and revealing that radiant skin, then today is gonna be a game changer video for you that you don't wanna miss. Okay, picture this. You've just returned home from a tropical getaway trip, and instead of returning with those sun-kissed memories, you're left with unwanted tan that has overstayed its welcome. Well, don't worry, because I have the perfect remedy to get rid of all of that sun tanning that I'm going to be sharing with you all. Recently, I came across this Jovees Herbal De Tan collection that is so amazing and will literally transform your skincare game. It isn't just another De Tan product, but it's like a skincare revolution. I have this entire range by Jovees Herbals, which consists of a De Tan face wash, De Tan face scrub, and De Tan face pack. The first product is Jovees Herbal De Tan Face Wash. This face wash has ingredients like bearberry, aloe vera, liquorice extract, which helps to cleanse and remove tan from the skin. It typically contains natural ingredients that help in brightening the complexion. The second step is to use this Jovees Herbal De Tan Face Scrub. This is a gentle exfoliating scrub designed to remove dead skin cells and tan. It contains ingredients like turmeric, walnut shell particles, lemon peel, and rose petals to provide a smooth and radiant complexion. And lastly, you want to use this Jovees Herbal De Tan Face Pack. A face pack can be beneficial for deeper tan removal. This face pack contains natural ingredients like wheat germ oil, carrot extract, and multani mitti, which are known for their skin brightening properties and make the skin so smooth and even toned. I love how effective this face pack is. And last but not the least, don't forget to apply and reapply sunscreen before you step out of the house. So with the help of just these 3 products, you can get rid of all the sun tanning on your face and on your body during the summer season. Who knew it would be so easy to take care of your skin? Who knew it would be so easy to remove that sun tanning during the summers? But with the help of these Jovees Herbal skincare products, it's so easy to remove all of that sun tanning even during the summer season. I love these products so much, and I highly recommend you try them out to remove sun tanning. In case if you want to purchase them, I will leave all the links in the description box below. You can check them out. And if you happen to try out this range, then do let me know in the comments below how it works out for you. Please share your experience in the comments below. So that was my video on how to effortlessly remove sun tanning from your face and body, and how to reveal radiant, brighter skin even during the summer season. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button. Subscribe if you're new here. Follow me on Instagram. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you in my next video.